How to fix cannot change country in App Store. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen, and further tap on the subscription option and make sure you do not have any active subscriptions, and if you do, then go ahead and cancel it for the time being. Now go back and tap on the sign in and security option you see there. You will be required to enter your Face ID or passcode, so ensure that and further tap on the change password option and go ahead and change your password and see if that fixes your issue. If not, go ahead and in your Apple ID settings itself, scroll down and tap on the sign out option and further go ahead and force restart your device. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally, press and release the power button and then restart your device. And now, go ahead and sign into your Apple ID again and see if that fixes your issue, and if not, lastly, tap on the Media and Purchases option and then tap on the View Account option. Here, tap on the Country and Region option and you will now be able to change the country and region. So, this is how you can fix cannot change country in App Store. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.